Good morning, City Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Fed Day, and many people are talking about how the Fed is caught between inflation and the bank crisis. So we'll see how many basis points the Fed raises interest rates, but more importantly, what they say about what they're going to do down the road. You've got the stock market right now a little bit higher, U.S. dollars lower, crude's a little bit lower. You've got gold, silver, copper, cocoa, and cotton higher, while coffee is a little bit lower. And the beans, May beans are down 7 cents, meal's down $4, corn's down 5 cents, and Chicago wheat is down 16 cents. I think that the big news overnight is just the free fall on wheat prices. Not seeing any support underneath the market. Commitment traders on March 14th came out, and the fund's still short 95,000 Chicago contracts, and doesn't really see any demand in the marketplace that would support the market. Morocco supposedly has about, let's say, 2 or 3 months worth of wheat. They usually this time of year have 5 to 6 months, but are looking for ways to buy wheat to add to their storage reserves. The market is down despite the fact that the U.S. Southern Plains remains dry. U.S. Northern Plains is cold, and we're also a little bit concerned about Australia down the road when we switch from La Nina to El Nino. Canada is also cold. In the soybean market, I think we're following Brazil's lower export basis levels. The weather down there is probably going to allow the beans to be complete in harvest. And there is talk that Brazil does not have enough storage for a record corn and a record soybean crop. So it's going to force farmers to sell one or the other. And probably they might sell some beans. And so that is weighing on the price there. And here in the United States, tomorrow we'll see what the export sales is. Crush margins on the board continue to drift lower, and we'll just kind of see what the farmer does with what he has left in old crop. And again, March 31 acreage and stock support will be key for momentum of the soybean market. Corn's following wheat. Cash market's a little softer in the West. Still, commercials are short, especially the exporters, and the trade's hoping for some good export sales data tomorrow. We'll see what the ethanol numbers are today and see if stocks continue to increase. Corn market a little bit worried about late plantings in the south due to rains, and maybe some late plantings in the north because of the cold weather. Not yet putting any premium on the market, but they are watching it pretty close. And again, the March 31 acreage and stock support will be extremely important for the corn market price direction. So lower, we'll wait and see what the Fed has to say about their fight inflation versus bank crisis. And the grain markets are taking more out of the risk premium. And for the first time since August 20th, as of March 14th, the funds are short corn.